the ultimate chicken biryani recipe. A flavorful journey you'll never forget. Are you ready for a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and make you feel like you're dining at a royal banquet? Chicken biryani, the famous Pakistani/Indian rice dish, is a delicious, aromatic, and flavorful meal that's traditionally reserved for special occasions such as weddings, parties, or holidays like Ramadan. It's one of those dishes that not only brings people together, but creates lasting memories with every bite. The preparation is a bit lengthy, but trust us, the work is absolutely worth it when you taste the final result. So, if you're up for the challenge, let's dive right in and explore the magic of chicken biryani. What makes chicken biryani so special? Chicken biryani is not just a dish. It's an experience. It's a feast for the senses with layers of fragrant basmati rice, tender chicken, and a blend of spices that dance on your palate. The key to an authentic biryani is the careful layering of rice and chicken, which ensures that every bite is packed with flavor. The spices used, cumin, turmeric, cardamom, saffron, and cinnamon, bring complexity and richness to this dish, while fresh mint and yogurt add a refreshing touch that perfectly balances the bold flavors. Prep time, 30 minutes. Cook time, 1 hour, 20 minutes. Total time, 1 hour, 50 minutes. Servings, 6. Ingredients for chicken and rice. For the chicken, 4 tablespoons vegetable oil divided, 4 small potatoes peeled and halved, 2 large onions finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 tablespoon minced fresh ginger root, 2 medium tomatoes peeled and chopped, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric, 2 tablespoons plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh mint leaves, 1/2 teaspoon ground cardamom, 1 2-inch piece cinnamon stick, 3 pounds boneless, skinless chicken pieces cut into chunks. For the rice, 1 pound basmati rice, 2.5 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 large onion diced, 5 pods cardamom, 3 whole cloves, 1 1-inch piece cinnamon stick, 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger, 1 pinch powdered saffron, 4 cups chicken stock, 1.5 teaspoons salt. Directions: let's get cooking. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Gather all your ingredients. You don't want to rush through this. Taking the time to prepare everything will make the cooking process smooth and easy. Step 2. Fry the potatoes. In a large skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add the potatoes and fry them until lightly browned. This should take around 3 to 5 minutes. Once done, remove the potatoes and place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain the excess oil. Set them aside. Step 3. Cooking the spices. Now, it's time to bring the flavors together. Add the remaining 2 tablespoons of oil to the skillet. Toss in the onions, garlic, and fresh ginger. Stir constantly until the onions become soft and golden. Once that's done, add the chopped tomatoes, salt, cumin, chili powder, pepper, and turmeric. Stir for about 5 minutes while the mixture comes together. Step 4. The secret sauce, mixing yogurt and spices. Add the yogurt, fresh mint leaves, ground cardamom, and the cinnamon stick. Stir everything together, then cover and cook over low heat. Stir occasionally, allowing the tomatoes to break down and cook into a thick pulp. If the mixture gets too dry, add a splash of hot water to loosen it up. Step 5. Add the chicken. Now, add your chicken to the spice mixture. Stir everything well, ensuring the chicken is coated with all the spices. Cover the skillet and let it cook over very low heat for about 35 to 45 minutes, or until the chicken is tender and juicy. You'll be left with a thick, flavorful gravy, which you can cook uncovered for a few minutes if it's too runny. Step 6. Prepare the rice. While the chicken is simmering, let's work on the rice. Wash 1 pound of basmati rice thoroughly and let it drain in a colander for at least 30 minutes. This will remove excess starch and prevent the rice from becoming sticky. Step 7. Spice the rice. In a large skillet, heat 2.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add the diced onion and cook until it turns golden. Now, add the cardamom pods, whole cloves, cinnamon stick, ground ginger, and saffron. Stir the spices together for a minute to release their flavors, and then add the soaked rice. Toss the rice in the skillet until it's evenly coated with the fragrant spices. Step 8. Cook the rice. In a separate pot, heat 4 cups of chicken stock and 1.5 teaspoons of salt until it's hot. Pour the stock over the rice and stir well. Now, add the chicken mixture with all the rich gravy and the fried potatoes. Gently mix everything together and bring it to a boil. Step 9. Steam the biryani. Here's where the magic happens. Reduce the heat to very low, cover the pan with a tight-fitting lid, and steam the chicken biryani for 20 minutes. Don't lift the lid or stir during this time. You want to trap all the steam inside to let the flavors meld perfectly. Step 10. Serve and enjoy. Once the biryani is done, take off the lid and admire your masterpiece. Spoon the chicken biryani onto a warm serving dish. For an extra touch of freshness, garnish with some chopped fresh mint leaves. The aroma will be irresistible, and the taste will leave everyone asking for seconds. Why you'll love this chicken biryani recipe. Chicken biryani isn't just a meal. It's a feast for your senses. The combination of spices, tender chicken, and perfectly cooked rice will transport you straight to the heart of South Asia. The rich flavors, the soft and fragrant rice, the tender chicken, all come together in one dish that's sure to impress. Not only is this dish great for special occasions, but it also makes a generous portion perfect for large family gatherings or dinner parties. Plus, it's loaded with protein and flavor, so it's a meal that's both satisfying and indulgent. Nutrition facts per serving. Calories, 832. Total fat, 35g, 45% daily value. Saturated fat, 8g, 40% daily value. Cholesterol, 134 milligrams, 45% daily value. Sodium, 1,522 milligrams, 66% daily value. Carbohydrates, 79g, 29% daily value. Dietary fiber, 5g, 18% daily value. Sugars, 5g. Protein, 48g, 96% daily value. Vitamin C, 29 milligrams, 33% daily value. Calcium, 73 milligrams, 6% daily value. Iron, 4 milligrams, 20% daily value. Potassium, 1,021 milligrams, 22% daily value. Final thoughts. This chicken biryani recipe is a showstopper. The long cooking time may seem intimidating, but the rich rewards are well worth the effort. It's a perfect blend of spice, flavor, and texture that will make every bite memorable. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or just want to treat your family to something extraordinary, this biryani will never disappoint. So, roll up your sleeves, get cooking, and enjoy the aromatic bliss of a homemade chicken biryani today.